Hello there, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share two of the National Scrapbook Day moving parts page folios. I said I wasn't going to show these on YouTube, but you guys are chomping at the bit. Just a quick recap. I had to start a new YouTube channel, and there are a ton of old videos going up onto YouTube. So I didn't want to mess with the schedule by uploading these into my YouTube channel because they're going to be spread out. They're not going to be in sequential order. But you know what? Forget about it. It'll be fine. You'll be able to find them via the playlist. All right, once they all get onto YouTube. So anyway, National Scrapbook Day project. We're offering Kathyrn Scraps and I, Paper Phenomenon, we teamed up. We've got a workshop going on. We are both going to broadcast on National Scrapbook Day, May 4th at 2 and me at 6. Check the listing on everywhere on social media to see what time it is in your country. All right. I'll send out another newsletter today. If you do not subscribe to my newsletter, you may want to because I send out good information on there. So without further ado, let me show you these two out of the 5 that we're going to have, which by the way, they are in the project folder, all of them. Well, no, I didn't upload number 7 because as of this, I don't know what, depending when you're watching this video, they're all in the project folder. I just haven't showed them here on YouTube. So moving parts page folios, they turned out gorgeous. So the first one I did, this is number 3. And the reason why this is style 3 is because I've done 2 other ones, okay? And let me just quickly show you those so that you can stay up to speed. These 2 that I did are not part of the National Scrapbook Day event workshop, all right? So this is moving parts page folios 1. This is moving parts page folio 2. All right, they turned out gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This one has photos in it, which is such a treat, right? All right, so for the National Scrapbook Day, if you look at your project folder, it starts with number 3, and it's because I already did 1 and 2. So if you look at the bargain that you're getting here, you're getting 5 for National Scrapbook Day in the one workshop. All right, so let me show you style 1. And I'll talk you through a couple of things that are going to happen for National Scrapbook Day. Sorry, style 3. And all the good things, guys. All the good things. So 49 and Market paper collection is gorgeous, gorgeous. You're going to need 2 paper collections for this. And I used the laser elements and the rub-ons. This is from a Simple Stories collection that we're also using in the workshop. So I just grabbed one of those and put it there. So it is really gorgeous. If you want to find out what papers I'm using, I will link you in the description box below to that video on the supplies I'm using for National Scrapbook Day. So the concept behind moving parts is double page layouts. Double page layouts that are housed in this folio format that have moving parts. Why are we able to get moving parts on these? Because there's no plastic sleeve here. No plastic sleeve. So on a traditional layout, you would see this, right? Which this is really generous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You could probably do 9, 10 photos in here. That is super generous for a scrapbook layout. But I do you one better, guys. With moving parts, everything moves. Look at that. You have room for a 5x7. You could put 5x7s in here. This is a pocket. If you wanted to not do the pocket and do 2 5x7s here, you can. Okay. Right here. Remember, I've teamed up with Kathyrn Scrap. She has her own set of 5. You have to check them out. This opens up as well to reveal more room for photos. Lots of embellishing. Look at the embellishments, how gorgeous. Gorgeous. Then this side mimics the left-hand side. We've got another pocket, room for the 5x7. Then this opens up as well. And if that were not enough, it opens up again. All right, again, look at this. Ah, so gorgeous. Let me move my mouse out of the way so I don't shut myself down. So room for 5x7s here. You have a waterfall here. You have room for 3x4s here. Then I give you this generous pocket for room for 8x10s if you want to do that. And I created a little slit here just so, you know, some interaction, some fun stuff. So check it out, my friends. Look at this. So you have room up here for more photos, loose photos here, including 8x10, 5x7, 4x6 in this pocket here. How gorgeous is this? Really, really gorgeous. So if you love what you see here, you're going to love the other 4. You're going to love it. Then this side, look at this. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is this paper? And then this opens up as well to reveal the same thing, just in the mirror image. We do a couple of techniques here, right? Matting off the page, 5x7, your waterfall, 4x3s, or whatever size you want to put in there. You can put your journaling in here. You can make a little envelope and stick it in there with your journaling. 4x6s. Here I didn't do the tie closure or the policy closure. I just did where your photo mats are the closure. And then that slit pocket there again. And then this opens up again to reveal this amazing, amazing layout right here. So these are layouts within layouts. I mean, it's just beautiful, beautiful. I'll link you down below to the workshop. Remember, you get a set of five different styles. You also get a bonus. So Kathyrn will have 5 different styles. I will have 5 different styles. Kathyrn's bonus is the kickstand. So if you want to do this and put it on display, obviously you have to tack it down. She shows you how to make a kickstand. You can absolutely retrofit my cover to fit her kickstand if you wanted to do that. She also did, I forget what she calls it. She always gives things really fun names. I don't, because I can't ever think of any. Where you can Velcro the layout. I glue my layout onto the cover. She has the option to Velcro it so you can move it so they can meet right here in the middle. You would not have this gap. You can also retrofit mine to do that. All right. My bonus is the box. If you're giving this as a gift, you will have a box to put it in. That's my bonus. My second bonus is, well, I have 3 bonuses. The second bonus is I'm going to show you easy pop-up elements that you'll be able to fit into any flap. All right. So a couple of pop-up elements. And last but not least, I'm going to show you how to bind these to get them into an album. All right. How you would retrofit the layout so that you can use the hidden hinge plus or the hidden hinge, the hollow hidden hinge, whatever hidden hinge you want to use, you will be able to use it. So just take a quick look at all of the detail here. It is stunning, stunning, stunning. Really beautiful. I want to keep this one for myself and put all my gardening photos in here. Which, by the way, I have a new gardening channel. Check it out. It's Paper Phenomenon, The Gardener. So I'm keeping my garden and my craft stuff separate. So I have some fun videos on there. At least I think they're fun. You may enjoy them. So check out my gardening channel. All right. So there is style 3, but the first moving parts folio in the National Scrapbook Day workshop. Now here is style 4 is the second offering in the National Scrapbook Day workshop. All right, so this one is actually a gift. This is for one of Faith's friends. His name is Henry. He had his 7th birthday. So I picked this birthday paper just, because it was fun. Now, I will tell you, this was challenging for me to mat. I wasn't feeling the paper initially, but it grew on me. So I made this generous pocket here for birthday cards. He can slip his birthday cards in here. All right. Then you open it and you get your layout. Look how beautiful is this. I just love the way it turned out. Typical scrapbooking layout. Oh, by the way, the inspiration layouts are in your project folder. So these were all inspired by sketches. Okay. Every last one of them were inspired by sketches. I gave you the inspiration layout in the project folder so you can check it out. All right. Maybe I'll do a video of each individual one after this and show you the inspiration layout and all that good stuff. All right, as a final review here on YouTube. So let me show you how this one opens. So this opens here for 4x6s. This here, 4x6. You can put photo down here. You can put a photo here, but be careful because you want these layers to show. But the beauty is that you can put your photo on the back. Even this flap, you can lift it. There are a collage of photos, smaller photos, see, because it just, everything cascades. And then this is a pocket for 5x7, 4x6s. Look at all these photo mats I have in here. I have a little decorative element here. So this closes first, then these close, and then this one closes. Look at how fun. So this is that pocket back here. All right, how fun is that? Then this side is a pocket on the sides here, 2 pockets, all right, for photo mats. And this one opens like this. So this entire flap opens. Let me do right there in frame so you can see it all. And look. Oh, I forgot to mat the back of the photo mats. For photo, 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 photo. Pockets for photos. I'm going to do smaller photo mats in here. And then this opens. Look at this. Another waterfall. Pocket in the back, photo, photo, and I just left this as a decorative element. You can put smaller photos here, but it's kind of nice to leave something cool and pleasing to the eye, not where it's just chaos everywhere, right? Action everywhere. So you want to be careful with where you're adding things, but it's real estate, guys. So if you want it for photos, you absolutely can do that. So I didn't do any closure here because this is the closure, and that's not it. It opens again. Are you ready? Boom, guys. Look at this acetate pocket here where you can fit 8x10s. All right, and below. Then you have these 2 pockets here. All right, so these close together for your 4x6s. Okay, and then here. You can put 3 in here if you want. This is magnet, and then this one is the string. Okay, so I didn't want 4 circles on this small area here, so I did a combo policy and magnet closure. It's a little too long for my taste, and it worked out beautifully. And then on the other side, you guessed it, there's another one. Look at it. Look at it. How fabulous are these pockets? Look at these pockets. They're huge, huge, huge. 8x10. You can fit an 8x10 in here. So they are just so wonderful to put together. They are easy to put together. I love to create projects that have this huge wow factor that you're like, oh man, that looks like a lot of work. I take you through the process step by step by step. I promise you, you will be able to do this. So remember, you get a total of 5 with lots of bonuses. Kathyrn has 5 with lots of bonuses. If you want both the bonuses, I highly recommend that you get them both. Check out Kathyrn's channel. I will link you down below because you need to see hers. Hers are so fun. And I will do another video. Not tomorrow, there won't be another video. During my live class, I will reveal the remaining 2. And during the live class, we're going to decorate the last one. It'll be assembled already. We will just decorate. So that's what we're going to be doing during the National Scrapbook Day class. Also, I have giveaways. So you don't have to sign up for everything. You just have to be in the class to qualify to get into the drawing for the giveaway. Dr. E has her own method of doing things. So if you are in the live class, you will be entered into the drawing. Everything will be recorded so you can see that the picking process is totally random and you are in the mix. All right, you are in there. So again, giveaways, you have to be in the class to participate. I will also be announcing the Facebook giveaway that I did. So that's its own little giveaway, but I will pick a winner during the live class tomorrow. All right, on May 4th, Mine is at 6 p.m. Central. Kathyrn's is at 2. And I think Kathyrn is, I'm not sure what time zone Kathyrn's in. So you want to check that out, but I will link you down below to the entire schedule, where and when and all that good stuff. So you have all of the information. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and stay tuned for the rest of the Moving Parts Folios National Scrapbook Day edition. Here are the first 2. The other ones are just as fabulous.